Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the virtual contest for Weekly Contest 369. I'm really behind at this point per se, but I am here in Fukuoka, in Japan, and just really enjoying myself. Check out that Instagram if you're curious what I'm doing. Just a lot of, I don't know, everything. But yeah, it's been fun. So yeah. What am I going to say? What am I going to say? But yeah, I think that's all I have really. I don't have my pens and paper, so yeah. This is basically everything is live. Everything you see is what I would do in a contest. I mean, it's not like I would do anything differently. Maybe a little bit slower because maybe I talk a little bit more. Each problem will have its own explanation video if you're looking for that. Definitely check that out or Google it, YouTube it, whatever. I don't have my pens and paper, so that's it. But yeah, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and join me in Discord. And yeah, send me some love, hit the like, and yeah. Am I ready? I think so. Let's go, 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 go. At least k elements, right? 9015. Let's go. Minimum equal. All the zeros with strictly positive numbers, such that the sum of elementable. So you have to. So okay. I mean that's not so bad. We just have to. Basically, we have to replace all the zeros with ones, and then it's the max, right? In theory. Okay. I mean, this is an impossible case. I have to think about it a little bit. But the impossible is only if one of them has no zeros, because then you can't, or both of them have no zeros and they can't change. And that numbers 1 is bigger. Okay, so okay. 0, 1 is 0, 2. Okay, so 0, 1 is 0. This is so annoying. Okay, so T1 is 0. I mean, it's not so bad. I think it's just easy to get like 5 wrong answers on stuff like this, so you have to be really careful. Okay, so if C1 is 0, 0, okay, I guess I just enumerated. So if they're both zeros, so then now they have to be the same. If T1 is equal to T2, return T1. Yeah, those and 1. Okay. And now if C1 is equal to 0, then Z2 is then Z2. So then now Z2 plus Z2 is the other thing. So if T1 is, if this is bigger, then you can do so, then return -1. Otherwise T1 is bigger or equal to this, so then you just return T1, right? Because that means that you can, okay. If C2 is 0, 0, same thing, but easy to mess up, so hopefully I didn't make a typo. And then now both of them are not 0, so then it is just return max of T1 plus C1, T2 plus C2, right? Because then the smaller one catches up. What do I have? 12 and -1. YOLO. Okay, that one is harder than I think. I mean, I feel like I'm a little bit luckier on that one, but okay. Choose an I in any number and then increase it by 1. Okay. Any subarray 3 or more, its maximum is greater than or equal to K. 3 or more, huh? What does 3 or more mean? Oh, so okay, it's 3 or longer, but 3 is still true. So the 3 or the more part means nothing. It's just the size 3, right? So okay, so we're just sliding windows, right? And you're forced basically. So okay, yeah, okay. -2 maybe. Right, so basically current is equal to max. Which one do we want to add? Can we do greedy or do we do DP? I thought it was going to be greedy actually, but now that I think about it, I'm not so certain. It should be DP actually. DP is not that bad. I don't know if this is. I'm gonna do it recursively. I'm not confident about it, to be honest. You know, because Leetcode is always silly with recursions. But this is just like, I don't know, return 0. Otherwise, we basically, if num sub index, okay, best is equal to infinity, say. If this number is already bigger than k, then we're Gucci until index plus 2 or something, right? So with this number, then we could 1, 2, so then the third number we have to care about. Okay, otherwise, if it's smaller, then we can also just do this, but plus the delta between k minus num sub index. We want this to be at most 0, of course, or at least 0. Otherwise we skip, right? If we skip, what does that mean? I guess yeah, I have to add an index thing. So like need it or something, right? I'm really slow on this one. I feel like I should know this one a little bit better. So okay, and then now this is so okay. If the current one is good, then okay, this gives us 3 of, so now instead of this we do index plus 1. That means that now we have 2 free slots that we can skip, right? Okay, yeah, the same thing. Or we burn one of those free slots. 3 minus 1. And we just return press. And now we return go index 0 or 0, 0 because we have 0, 3. Maybe this is right. Don't know. 5, 7, 0 is really wrong. So k is equal to 4. We do a 4 here and a 4 here. Oh, okay, we're really wrong, huh? Oh, I don't think I do this one correctly because 0. Because we're forced to do 0 on the first one, right? Can we do negative? Because basically, yeah, sorry about the siren. Well, I mean, I can't do anything about it. It's very loud here, actually. But, okay, how do we do the skip ahead? I think the skip ahead is that we either do this and then 1 of 0. So we have to do one of these. I think that would be good. We might have to change the, yeah, okay, at least 3. So this should be good. YOLO submit. Okay. Maximum points after collecting coins from all node. There's a tree, edges, number of coins in vertex I, and an integer k. Okay, I mean that's fine. Starting from the root, you have to collect all the coins such that all the coins can be collected if the coins of its end. So okay. What does that mean? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a linked list with 10, 10, 3, 5. What is even k? Oh, I guess I have to keep reading. Can we? I missed the collection part. This is why I'm doing really poorly on contests. I literally didn't even read this part. I don't know why. All right, collect all the coins, but you will lose coins. Okay, that makes sense. So just collect all the coins, but you get points. Okay. All the nodes J present in a subtree of nodes in I. Okay, so you could either take half the coin or coin minus K or something. And if you take half the coins for points, in the recursion, you will go there. Okay. Do we always start at 0? Starting from the root, but what is the root? Is the root always 0? Does it tell you? Oh, it does tell you on the first one. Okay. So you start the root, you can recursively either do this or that. Is it memorization? It's just memorization, right? It's just a number of things. And what is it? Coin supply is 10 to 4. So that means that you can memorize after, what is it? 10 to the, what is 10 to the 4th? 10,000? 10,000, that's 2 to the 15 or something? I don't know. Man, I am really bad at math. Would I say 10 to the 4th? Right, so like 2 to the 13? 2 to the 14? 2 to the 14 is 16,000. So that means that after that many iterations, so it's 14 times nodes, which should be good enough, right? Am I missing something obvious? Are people already done with the contest? 2 people are, and I can understand why. All right. Yeah, I don't know if I'm misunderstanding something, to be honest. But okay, let's set it up. right? And then we just do recursion. Def. Let's just go. The node and used, say. I also want the parent, but I don't want to cache on it. I guess it doesn't matter. The parent it will always be the same. Watch Leetcode just be silly anyway. Right. So then now, total is equal to 0. Right. That's the total movement points. And basically, we really only have 2 things to do, right? So, oh wait, well, we have to collect it, and then, yeah, like I said, only 2 things to do. So basically, we can either collect it on the K way, right? And then, so the K way is go, oh yeah, and also, if used is greater than 14, used is equal to 14, say, well, yeah. Okay, yeah. And then so basically now we take the K way, right? So tick is equal to coin sub node minus K, and we lose points anyway. So okay, so we don't even have to do anything funky. And then for we in ye of node, if we is not parent, then tick we add go we node used. We haven't used anything, so then now, yeah, and then actually it will just be max tick and half, say, and half is just equal to coin sub node divided by 2, right? I'm using the right shift for whatever reason. Or oh, and I have to take track of used. So this is coin is equal to coin sub node already, right? So this is coin. So from the previous thing, and then now half is equal to right? And then for we and ye of node, if we is not parent, half we node used plus 1, and then that's it. Right? (11 and 16). The timing seems okay. Let's give it a submit. I mean, maybe I have a silly mistake, but should be fast enough. Yeah, I guess I should have done it during this contest. I mean, that was pretty okay. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little bit weird, to be honest, because I didn't feel like I was particularly fast on this one. That's why it's not like, you know, I mean, I feel like I definitely could have been faster. What was Q3 again? Yeah, Q3 I could have been faster. Maybe I feel like I was okay. Q4, 7 minutes, actually I was a little bit slow, but I think I was just confused whether, like, I think I did everything right on the first try. I think I was just bad on the reading. I mean, I don't think I was slow, but I don't think I was fast. But 600 seems, I guess, okay. I don't know how many people I did. I mean, the only thing that I cheated on per se is that I did get a glimpse of this accepted thing. I wish they kind of hide it or something during the contest, because this gives it away a little bit. And as much as I try not to look at it, sometimes I peek. So that gives like a relative difficulty. But I mean, I don't think that actually changed anything for me on this one. So I don't know, because this was just relatively straightforward, to be frank. I don't think, I mean, I don't know, any contest that you do well in is always straightforward, right? Every math problem that you already know the answer or you know how to solve is easy. Every problem you don't is ridiculously hard for some reason. But yeah, don't really have much to say. I mean, other than I wish I did this during, or I wish I did the actual contest and did this, then I can show off, right? But I don't know. I really am confused why, or like I don't know what the holdup is. And people beat me by in Q3 by a lot, so it wasn't like, I don't know what the Q4 thing is. And I only imagine that people have like a incorrect thing with like maybe they time out if they kind of do a recursive thing with used, and then now I think the key optimization is actually this part, at least for me, the way that I did it, right? Like I think if you didn't do that, that would time out, and maybe that gives you a wrong answer. But I think you can probably figure that out pretty quickly. I mean, it'll cost you 5 minutes, and on a bad day, bad Larry might even cost 5 minutes. But maybe, I don't know. I mean, I don't think that would have cost me, in the sense that I don't think I would have done it without knowing that this is capped that way. But it's a little bit awkward, because otherwise then it could be n squared with respect to like the tick non-tick, and then just becomes n squared, and obviously n squared is gonna be too slow. But all right, I mean, I don't know. I it is what it is. Wish this was in a virtual, but that is all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did, and yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.